Hello guys!
Hello!
And welcome back to a new video. Today we are installing our backup camera to this big boy over here.
Yes, and we're gonna show you step by step what actually we did to install the camera, so if you want you can actually do the same.
Yes, and after that it's finally time to finish the outside work on our van. It's time to put back the trims on the car.
Yes, finally, because we actually didn't drive the car since the first day we saw the car. We just test drive it, and after they dropped the car here, but we couldn't drive it.
Yes. Yet. And if you enjoy watching this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions while watching, please leave them in the comments down below. We are happy to answer everything. And
give us a thumbs up if you like it.
Yes. So let's jump into the video now and show you how we install everything. So we choose to use the AutoVox digital wireless camera. It's the model W7.
Yeah, W7 got really nice reviews on Amazon, and it was actually quite cheap too. We probably spent like
less than 100 euros.
Less than 100 euros, and we're gonna put the description, the link to the description below, so you guys can check it out.
And this camera is actually a camera for cars, so we had a few things that we needed to adjust on the camera, but you will see it all in this video. And now we just need to tighten all the cables. I'm gonna show you.
As you can see.
They are all hanging around loose here. We need to tighten them so they're not gonna make any annoying noises while driving.
Yeah, it was quite easy to install. We just follow the instruction and have another person with you, especially if you know a little bit of electrical. It's not like a big deal.
We had some friends last night, and we are all a little bit hangover, and we are about to finish the outside of the car. And for that I'm going to clean the trims now, and I'm going to treat them with some kind of plastic renewer, so I hope they're gonna be shiny and black after again. Ja.
No.
Can I have a diesel? Okay guys, I just want to show you the before and after. This is nice and shiny and black again after you treated it with the plastic treatment. I don't know how it's called. What do you call it? Plastic treatment? Liquid.
Make it come here.
The green bin. The angle is too long.
Almost.
You didn't make it.
Almost.
Try this one.
What do you think I'm doing? Can you tell me?
Yeah. Oh.
See your face on your hair. What did you do?
Not into my hair. I don't know. There was stuck, and then I just shaked it more, and it all came out.
That's what she said. Today, I'm gonna tackle something that is gonna make one step closer to finish completely the exterior of the van, and I'm just gonna put some silicone on these really small rails. They are the rails underneath the plastic trim on the side of the van, just because I don't want the water is collecting again here and make everything rust again. And here I just finished to cut little runners for the water. I don't know if you guys can really see close, because they were actually closed with silicone, and I saw the water was collecting in the corner over here, so I want just to make sure that I was cutting it and that was not making the water collect there, otherwise it would be like a lot of rust again. And when we're gonna put back the trim, the plastic trim, we're gonna put some silicone there, and it's gonna be really hard actually to take them off again. So we wanna make everything nice, watertight, and prevent the rust as much as possible. Finished. Finish. Okay, so this is the product of my work, and not really happy with that, because I'm understood that I'm not really good with silicone. I'm sure there is a better way, there is something I can do better, but I don't know, it doesn't look like I'm clicking it. So there it is. It's one pieces, and you see, like, I also covered the cut I pretty much done before, and I just make like everything kind of like smooth, trying to go with the rail, and try to make the path for the water to actually run out from the rails. Otherwise, if it gets stuck there, it's gonna create again rust, and it's gonna be a problem later. I think it's not gonna be a big problem in in the short time, but probably it's gonna be a problem in the long time for sure. So I try to do my best, and I try to make everything smooth and nice to actually prevent that. Let's see how it's gonna turn up. Let's see what Desi is gonna say as well. She's really good working with silicone, and if we need to retouch something, we can always do it back after, and she's probably gonna see if it's good job or a bad job.
It is finally time that we're going to put back the trims on the car. I can't believe it. As soon as this job is finished, we can drive Chester around the town. And before we do that, we need to fill these big holes that are everywhere around the car. These ones are the ones where the clips are going for the trim. And these holes, no one knows what they're made for. And we went to Mercedes and asked for a proper proofing, and we got stickers. So the official Mercedes idea how to close these holes is with stickers, and we're going to apply the stickers from the outside, and from the inside we're going to use some tape that is also used for roofing work. So it's going to be super watertight, and let's do it. We're working on the trims. I just put back all the plugs. We got a couple of new ones because I broke some when I took the trims off. And now we're going to put some silicone all around the plug. And then it's hopefully watertight and no water can come into our van and run behind our insulation. Fabio just put all the silicone around the plugs. And now it's time to finally attach the trims back to the car. I don't know what to do.
Last one. Last one. We finally put the last screw on the plastic trim, and we are so happy because this job now is officially done.
Yes.
We don't need to do these things hopefully anymore.
No. And we hope it's gonna last really long. It's gonna make our car last really long, hopefully.
Yeah.
And now it's time to get some food. We're super hungry. It's time for dinner.
Yeah.
And it's also finally time that we are going to start to work on the inside of the car.
Can't wait. But now we can officially also drive the car. We got everything at exterior pretty much done. we really can't wait for driving this car anymore.
Yes, and we're going to pick up some food now with this baby.
Mm-hmm.
And before we start to work on the inside, we're going to show you guys how our car looks now.
Yes.
Take it slow.
One of them would be okay. The stuff I'm putting on there, no? All the call.
I don't know, guys. You tell us. Okay, in the comments.
But before we start with the inside, we're going to show you how our car looks like now.
Mm-hmm. We finish all the outside.
That's what I wanted to say.
You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're going